please welcome to the stage speaker, conference MC, and Renaissance woman, Pam Miller.
Yay! Daytime. I saw in the chat where Lisa Faye, who lives here in Atlanta, said, "This is great. I wish I was there." She's one of our virtual attendees, which gave me an idea because I know Lisa, and I thought if I can pull it off, I will. So here's a little bit like a really rough video of what happened over lunch. Here I am outside of Lisa's door. I'm about to surprise her. Here we go. Okay, I just have to say there is no good way to put a mask on when you're holding stuff.
You wished you were there. I'm glad you're enjoying it, but I just had this idea to come surprise you.
Well, how was this morning?
It was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. I'm taking tons of notes. And I really want to thank you guys for all you're doing to make the people that are at home, virtual, have the experience be as good as it can be. You're including us. You're making sure we're there. We've got our little my new NSA mask. So I really appreciate that. That's hard to do, and you guys are role modeling for us for sure.
Thank you so much, Lisa. You know, everybody in the planning, we really wanted to make it a hybrid event that everyone felt included in. So I'm just so glad you're part of it. And thanks for playing along. You too.
Thanks for the balloon. I love it.
You're welcome. I see it. Thanks. We'll see you later, Lisa.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Woo, is right. So excited. Welcome, everyone, to the NSA Winter Workshop 2021 hybrid event. We are so glad that you're here with us in person, yes, and also out there with us virtually. We are just so excited to finally kick off this event. Those of you who are with us virtually on the Socio app, as you have been for the virtual warm-up events, please keep the chat going. We have our desk here. We'll be monitoring the chat. One of us will be out in the audience. We will have some more compete items going on in the Socio platform, which has been, this hasn't been a joke. You know, the past year has been hard. It's been hard for all of us. And we had calendars, right? Did you have a calendar? I used to have a calendar too. We're getting our calendars back, but they went away overnight. In days, they disappeared. Our businesses were directly impacted, and many of us lost family, friends, people that we really care about were impacted. Georgia is in the house, everyone. Georgia is in the house. Literally, we have a native Georgian and, unknown to you, a Georgia top 10 youth citizen. He was a top 10 young citizen. Please welcome our NSA Chairman of the Board, CSP, CPAE, Barry Banther.